name is George Benedict P. Kapangpangan. I will show you how to install a virtual machine. So, VMware player. So, let's click the installer. Go to the drive and download it. So, I've already downloaded it. So, let's proceed. Then double click. Click yes. Then, let's proceed the setup. Accept all terms. Next, next. Then install. Then finish. After installing, open the VMware's workstation. Then create a new virtual machine. Then click I will install the operating system later. Choose the operating system. Customize your virtual machine name. Next. Then set the maximum disk size to 60. Then click next. And then finish. And then let's review. So these are the processes that you set. So now let me reflect on this task. So initially configuring the network adapter was tricky, but referring the VMware documentation helped me overcome this. So new skill, I learned how to manage these partitions and allocate system resources. So for future improvements, if I were to repeat this task, I would explore automating parts of the configuration using scripts. That's all. Thank you.